Today, base curry gravy. Big batch, saves time. Masala paste first. Details in description. Cooking oil in. Bay, cinnamon, cardamom, cumin. Onions plus salt. Low and steady.
Turmeric, cumin, coriander, Kashmiri chilli, Garam masala. Add water, mix.
Green chili in. Ginger in. Garlic in. Cook until it turns glossy and smells amazing. Crushed tomatoes in. Salt in. Cook till thick. Cashew paste goes in last. Pull whole spices. Base gravy ready. Fridge a week. Freezer months. Curries with Chomp.
Sitar break. Quick groove, then we're done. Look how crap I am. Best stick to cooking. Hey!
Subscribe, and I'll teach you street food without the street stress.